So I checked out embroom.com, a site selling embroidery and punch needle kits, to see if it's a legit or scam, and here's my honest review. Embroom.com presents itself as a small company focused on selling punch needle kits, stitch books, and embroidery products. Their About page emphasizes quality products and supporting hobbyists worldwide. In my experience, this site does sell real craft products like stitch books and needle kits, and it offers common e-commerce features like secure payment options, credit cards, PayPal, Apple, or Google Play. Automated security checks shows the domain as a high trust score of 93 over 100, with no major malware or fraud warning suggesting it's safe to use for browsing and buying. However, independent user feedbacks and trust scores are mixed, with some service giving a low trust score around 45, indicating that caution and further verification may be needed before purchasing. Only a very small number of real user reviews exist publicly, which means it's hard to confirm consistent product quality or reliable delivery based on broad user experience. Positive things about it: its secure scan showed the site is technically safe and use secure e-commerce platform like Shopify, offers a variety of embroidery and punch needle products with apparent pricing and details on site. Payment options include trusted processors like PayPal and card networks, adding buyer protection. Problem or red flag: very few real customers review online, making it hard to judge trustworthiness. Some site reputation database gives average or low trust score, urging cautious purchase decisions. A lack of established brand recognition compared with long-standing craft retailers. So embroom.com appears technically safe to use and sell real craft kits, but the lack of broad user reviews and mixed trust signals means you should shop with caution, try small test orders, and review the return policy before buying larger bundles. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.